Hi, my name is Marcela Rada. I was in charge of editing the 360 video for this IBC project, and I also mixed the piece in stereo and in binaural format using the Broadway plugins. So I'm just going to quickly show you what my workflow looked like so you have an idea of what it took to create this piece. First, I have here our first take, and it was one of the takes that we did with 360 camera. And the very first thing I did was actually to remove the tripod. So if we take a look over here, we can see that, well, the tripod is not there anymore. And I do this to make it look cleaner. And if this was to be, watched with a VR set, for example, if you look down, you're not going to see a tripod because a tripod just makes it look a bit unnatural. It kind of takes you out of that immersive experience. So that was the first thing I did. Then over here, I'm just going to show you the next take after removing the tripod, and I actually removed the tripod using Adobe After Effects, not Premiere Pro. So after I did that in Adobe After Effects, I took that render and I brought it into Premiere Pro where I added logos. And so in a second, you'll be able to see where I place the logos. And I do this with my logo. Usually I put it on that space because, it is an empty space anyway. So that's what I did for this section over here. And I also added the IBC logo, and I put that up here in the roof, on the roof. So this is, a way to also add to the production of the video. And then after that, what I did was automate the movements of the 360 video. So you're not longer allowing the viewer to explore the video in 360, but now what I did was I automated it and it became a 2D video that has its own movements, and I did this using the GoPro VR plugin. So I'm just going to show you here, and if you were able to see the final product, you'll be able to see that, it moves around on its own. And I actually created pretty slow movements just so then the automation of the audio would also happen slowly, and then you will be able to really hear how the instruments are moving. So I mixed the audio using Pro Tools. I created the stereo version using Pro Tools, and I processed each microphone on each instrument using Pro Tools. But after I did that, I actually brought and the stems into Ableton Live, and I use the Broad Audio plugin. This is what it looks like to automate the movement of each instrument while looking at the video. So the movement of each instrument is correlated to where you see it on the video or where it will be positioned in this video over here. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully this gave you a pretty good idea of my workflow, and I hope that you enjoyed it.